In this video, I am going to show you how to connect the THRUSTMASTER T150 to a PS5. The THRUSTMASTER T150 is officially compatible with PlayStation consoles, but if you're having trouble setting it up, follow these steps. First, make sure your THRUSTMASTER T150 is in PS4 mode because the PS5 recognizes it as a PS4 peripheral. Locate the mode switch on the wheel's base and set it to PS4. Blue LED light should be on. Next, connect the USB cable from the T150 to one of the PS5's USB ports. After plugging it in, press the PS button on your DualSense controller and navigate to Settings Accessories on controllers to check if the wheel is recognized. For game compatibility, not all racing games support the T150 on PS5. Games like Gran Turismo 7, F123, and Assetto Corsa work well, but some may require updates. Make sure your game has wheel support enabled in its settings. If the wheel isn't responding, try disconnecting and reconnecting it. Restarting your PS5 or checking for firmware updates using THRUSTMASTER's PC software. Now you're ready to race. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.